Okay, so let's put the Uno board in. Go to Assemble, Arduino, Open. We want to move that to the location and we want to set the constraint. Okay, so placement, select component item. We selected the bottom of the Uno board to match with the top of the chassis. Coincident. And then we just want to move that to the rough position. Roughly centered. Okay. So it's a partially constrained. So we said that the standard orientation, we can turn off this coordinate system display. And so we have a nice looking assembly. So we save that as assembly. Okay. File, save as, save a copy, save that as a car assembly. Okay.